This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Volvo truck. First, let's get comfortable and familiar with the cab. Take a moment to adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure you have the best possible view and feel. Locate the main controls, like the ignition, gear selector, and parking brake. Understanding these basics is crucial for a smooth and safe start to your journey. We'll cover these steps in more detail, ensuring you feel confident behind the wheel. Now, let's get the engine running. Insert your key and turn it to the ignition position, allowing the truck systems to power up. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, release the parking brake. For most Volvo trucks, you'll then select D for drive on the automatic transmission. If it's a manual, engage the clutch and select first gear. Always ensure the area around the truck is clear before moving. As you begin to drive, accelerate smoothly and gradually. Maintaining a safe following distance is paramount, typically at least 4 seconds in good conditions. When slowing down, use a combination of engine braking and the service brakes for optimal control and reduced wear. Always look far ahead, anticipating traffic changes and road conditions, which allows you to react calmly and brake effectively. Smooth inputs are key to a comfortable ride. Finally, let's cover parking and shutting down your Volvo truck. When you've reached your destination, find a safe and level spot that accommodates the truck's considerable length and width. Once parked, firmly engage the parking brake. Then, turn off the engine and remove the key. Before leaving, it's a good practice to perform a quick walk-around inspection, checking tires and lights, ensuring everything is secure for the next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.